everyone, I hope you're doing well. So as per my Google Classroom announcement, our project for term 2 is going to be about My Freedom Day. Now, My Freedom Day is an initiative in which students take full control of their work to show how we can raise awareness about modern day slavery and fight human trafficking. It's an initiative by CNN, and we're not the only school working on it. So basically, it's an international thing, meaning schools all over the world will be participating in it. Now, My Freedom Day is on March 11, 2020, and it is basically how we define modern slavery, how we fight against modern slavery, and how we perceive or how we understand what freedom means to us. Now, as per the International Labour Organization and Walk Free Association, apparently nowadays we have 40 million people trapped in slavery. And slavery doesn't have to be, the ancient kind. There are many modern faces of slavery, and this is what we are going to uncover in our project. Okay, now, first of all, I want you to know that I will be guiding you every step of the way, and I will be sending you videos in which I will show you how to go about this project. Now, first of all, what am I expected to do as a grade 7 student? So, first of all, I need you to get acquainted or familiarized with the term human trafficking and modern day slavery. So, as per my announcement on Google Classroom, I asked you to watch videos in the link attached, and I really hope you did. Now, I would like you to form impressions on how did this video make you feel? What do you think this entire term that has to do with human trafficking and slavery affects us as people in the 21st century? After we reflect on the effect of the videos, we are going to actually define the term slavery and trace its development from ancient time slavery to modern day slavery. Okay, and we are going to learn about different and important people who fought against slavery. After that, and this is something that is really, really important, we are going to start researching about facts on slavery and human trafficking. And why are we going to do that? Because we are going to write informational articles in which we present our findings. So let's say we read an article about how slavery started in ancient Greece. We reflect on it, we use it as a reference before we move on and write our own article based on what we read. Now, where are we going to post this article? That's the interesting part. You guys are going to create a website. You are going to be working in groups of 3, and each person is responsible for a different article to be published on the website. Now, the website is going to be made up of a home page, Article 1 page, Article 2 page, and Article 3 page, okay? And followed by a wrap-up or like a conclusion, a newsletter, perhaps, whatever you want, okay? Now, how are we going to create a website? I will show you the steps later on in a different video, but mainly we are going to use what we call Google Sites. It's a free feature that you can use and access via your Gmail account, and it's really user-friendly, and it won't take a lot of time for you to know your way around it, okay? Now, other than creating a website in which we feature our articles and our findings about slavery, we are going to make a 10 to 15 second video where each one of you tells us what does freedom mean to you, okay? And we are going to post that on social media following the hashtag MyFreedomDay and hashtag Ahliya MyFreedomDay. Now, the fun part is you guys could be featured on CNN. So the better the ideas that you come up with, the more creative you are, the more likely you guys are gonna end up on international TV. So, our first step now would be to dig deep into the topic of slavery. We are going to read and watch as many topics about it, as many subtopics about it as well. And then we are going to start by learning how to write an article, an informational article, so that we can work on our Google Sites website. After that, and actually you can start with this, I would like each and every one of you to record himself or herself as you guys are telling us what does freedom mean to you. I'm going to show you samples via a link so that you can get ideas on how you can create this 10 to 15 second video answering this question. So after we do that, and after we're done with the articles, you guys will publish your website, and the website will also feature these videos. And again, rest assured, I will show you step by step how to do that, okay? So I hope you guys reached out to me if you have any questions. I will be posting videos more than once just so that I can make sure that you guys are understanding what I'm saying. And you can watch the video more than once if you feel like you're confused. And of course, you can always email me. Okay, so we're going to start by showing you what Google Sites is and how do we operate it. Now, just to be clear on a couple of things, I'm going to repeat what we are going to do. We are going to learn how to write an expository article. We are going to launch a website in which we include this article. Now, bear in mind that you are working again in groups of 3. So every 3 students publish one website, okay? So not every single one of you is going to be working on a different website. However, each and every one of you is going to work on the 10 to 15 minutes, seconds video in which you tell us about what freedom means to you. So it's a group work project, but it consists of individual work as well. What's more is that once each one writes his or her article, you will send it to me either by email or on Google Classroom, whatever is convenient to you. I will correct it, you will write a second draft, and based on the second draft feedback I give you, you will publish it on the website. Okay? So again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.